Hmm. Hi everyone. Today I have a very special guest, my senior Likita Akka, who is currently in her fourth year of BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. She has recently placed in our college at a very good company. So she is here to share her journey, preparation strategies, and tips for placements. So let's get started. Hi Likita Akka.
Hi, Shravanti. How are you doing?
I'm very good. Thank you for paying your time to me. And can you please share your, can you please introduce yourself and tell us where you are from?
Yeah, hi guys. I'm Nikita and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology and Computer Science Department. I got placed recently in Mindex 360 with 5.5 CTC.
Congratulations, Akka. That's amazing. I'm sure your
Thank
journey
you.
will be really helpful for us juniors.
Yeah,
So
me
let's get
too.
started. How was your experience in our college ELCS lab, and did it help you during the interviews?
Yes, one of the major role played ELSS lab in my interviews, especially the jam sessions and group discussions. And also, not only them, but also writing skills. Like, I improved writing skills through this ELSS lab, like email writing or essay writing,
Yeah,
paragraph writing, because I'm very
advocacy.
poor at writing, but in ELS, practicing in ELSS lab made me to improve my skills.
Yeah, that's really interesting. I sometimes get nervous explaining concepts, so practicing in our labs will definitely help me too. And
Yeah.
in your opinion, what are the most important things to focus on when preparing for interviews?
I can say there are two important things you have to focus. One is communication skills, and the second one is technical skills. Because communication skills play more role than technical skills. When you're good at communication or when you're good at expressing something, you can manage things. And not only them, to attend interviews, you have to be good, not so much, but you have to be uh, at least you have to manage the technical skills,
Yeah.
because nowadays the competition is
So what's up?
increasing, and also the technologies are booming, AI, data science. So you have to gain a basic knowledge about all of them in order to gain jobs.
Yeah, that makes sense. And which activity help you to the most improve your communication skills?
I can say the jam sessions helped me a lot, because in jam session we have to be spontaneously, we have to answer to the topic given. So it requires a lot of practice, because suddenly we cannot say anything. Suddenly we cannot get the points too. So we have to be practice and be consistent to uh, be in that.
Yeah, yeah. I also feel practicing with friends and helped me a lot, and I will try. And uh,
Yeah.
can you please share your experience in a face-to-face interview? Any tips to our juniors?
Yeah, in face-to-face interview, you have to be confident first of all. Don't be nervous or don't hesitate. If you don't know any answer, just manage with your smile and with your confidence.
Yeah.
And another tips is be genuine. Don't fake to them, because they get to know about yourself. So just be genuine and have a smile. Be confident. That's it.
Yeah, I can relate. I get nervous too. I will make sure to prepare behavioral questions ahead of a time. And what are your suggestions for preparing a strong resume?
Uh, I can say that when you learn a new skill or when you do a new project, just update your resume up to date. Don't neglect them or don't postpone it. to update resume. Updating resume makes your resume more effective, and also you get to know what to remove or what to add, any extra, any additional points. And
Got it.
also,
Yeah.
while preparing resume, watch some related YouTube videos in order to increase your ATS score, because nowadays ATS score is so important.
Yeah. Got it. I sometimes added too much of data in my resume. So
Uh,
can you please
don't do
any?
that.
Yeah, yeah.
Just uh, like mention the overview, like mention a glimpse of your skills so that you can explain them your skills elaborately in future.
Yeah, got it. I will simplify my resume and focus on the important points only.
Yeah.
So, how important are the verbal tests in our campus interviews and how should one prepare?
Uh, for preparing verbal test, I can say that the more be more consistent and practice. Go sit in front of mirror and practice yourself, because in verbal you should practice more to go through that, and also you have to practice more topics. First, prepare self intro. At
Yeah.
least once in a day you have to tell your self intro in front of mirrors, so you can be confident of saying that. I can say these tips.
Yeah, sometimes forget grammar practice and I will include verbal exercises in daily routine. And
Yeah.
my next question was, how do you manage the transition from academic life to placement preparation? What are the any challenges?
Uh, uh, I rather focusing on academic. I focus more on improving my technical skills, because to gain job or to crack any interview, you have to be strong enough in technical skills. I can say academic. You have also you have to manage academic life, because we also require grades and percentages to get the certificate. But
Yeah.
learn something, like don't learn for the degree, learn to improve your skills so that you can enjoy, and also you can learn many new things. I can say that manage like I manage like that.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I also struggle with the time management. I will try making a daily schedule too. And
Yeah.
can you please give an example of a difficult problem you faced during the preparation and how you do solve it?
Hmm. I can say as I'm as I practice daily technically, because I don't feel that much tough in technical skills, but I felt difficult in aptitude and reasoning. Reasoning also it's okay, but in aptitude, because I don't practice aptitude, so in my first interview, I felt difficult. So then I started giving time for aptitude. At least schedule your timings for aptitude, reasoning, and technical skills, because how good at your technical skills, but you're not good at aptitude and reasoning, it doesn't make sense, because the first round itself is aptitude and reasoning. So focus on that.
That's a smart strategy. I will definitely try
Yeah.
timing myself during the mock tests. And and finally, any
Okay.
advice for juniors preparing for their dream job?
Yeah, from my side, I can say be consistent, don't be lazy, don't procrastinate things. If you want to learn something, start from today itself. Like I am also a big procrastinator. I also like I'll think that tomorrow I will do, or day after tomorrow I
Yeah.
will start, but don't do that. When you wanted to start something new or learn something new skills, let's start from today. Don't procrastinate and be consistent. Learn daily. Like uh, schedule your time, give it a 1 hour or 1.5 hour, but daily you have to practice, also practice and hard work makes sense, and you can crack anything with them, and don't lose your confidence.
Yes, yes. Any else?
uh that's it.
Okay, thank you so much, Akka. Your tips are really motivating and I will follow them for sure.
Okay.
I hope found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.